Here's how to fix if Android apps disappeared from the home screen. Now, if you're used to seeing something on your home screen, this case, maybe the camera icon, you can always just swipe up from here and see if it is in your app drawer, because potentially you have removed it from your home screen, but it might be in the app drawer. So you can just tap on the search icon here and you can search for that app. For instance, I can search for camera, but you can see it doesn't pop up still. If you still can't find it, and even if you go through the process of searching for it and you still just can't see it anywhere, I would recommend hopping out here and we'll go back to the app drawer and we'll get into your settings instead. So tap on settings. And from the settings, all we're going to do is scroll down and find the section for home screen and tap on that. Now all we need to do is scroll down from here and you can see hide apps on home and app screens. Just tap here. Now you can see under hidden apps is camera. So I can just hit the little minus symbol and then done. And now if I hop out of here and swipe up, I'll be able to see the camera icon. There it is. I can just tap and hold and drag it up and drag it back to my home screen where it normally is.